Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Q Familia. Every year on Tuesday of the second week of February, Qatar celebrates the Qatar National Sports Day. We celebrate by doing different games and activities on this special national holiday. Because of lockdown, we are celebrating this holiday with our friends. As you can see, my mom is preparing different props for different games, such as marking flags, winning numbers, relay race stick, finishing line ribbon, etc. Finally, all the props are ready and we are now at our destination to play our games. We are marking the place with flags. It is time to play our first game, cycling race. Let's see who's going to be first. Yay! As you can see, my brother Muhammad Ahmed just crossed the finishing ribbon. He came first place. Now it's time to do our second activity, a running race. Congratulations! Muhammad Jawad is first, Mamoona is second, and Aman is third. Now we are going to do our third activity, a relay race. In this race, there are two teams, green team and pink team. The first member of the team is going to pass the relay stick onto the second member. The second member then has to pass the stick onto the third member. The third member has to reach the finishing point and the pink team is the winner! Now, for our fourth activity, the teams are going to be the same. We have to pass our ball with the stick into the finishing line. It is similar to the relay race. This time the green team is the winner. Congratulations! It's time for our fifth activity and we are going to play football. The first goal was shot by the pink team. The green team shot the second goal. The third and final goal was shot by the pink team, and the pink team is the winner. This is our sixth activity, zigzag race. This time the green team won. Congratulations!
Yes, we are the winner!
Now we are going to play the funnest game of all, Tug of war. This is our seventh and last activity. We did 3 rounds. And yay! The pink team won all the rounds, meaning they are the winner. It's prize ceremony now. In cycling race, Mohammad Ahmad got first position, Mohammad Jawad got second position, and Maimuna got third position. In running race, Mohammad Jawad got first position, Maimuna Amjad got second, and Aman Amjad got third position. In all group games, pink team was the winner. Time to celebrate.